got fire. I like playing with fire. Folks, we got ourselves a new torch today. Look at this. Talk about something your charcoal fast, eh? Tell you what, let's go take a closer look at it, shall we? All right, folks, you saw what I can do. Let's backtrack to when we got it in the box, take it out of the box, and take a look at a few things here. They've got some safety guidelines as to how to use it and how not to use it. And they've got some other information, some danger stuff. Do not use it for more than 2 to 4 minutes at any time. And then it comes packaged pretty nice. Get it out of there. And there it is. Nice connection there. You've got a adjustment up here. And then a lighter down there. I don't know if you can see it sparking. Oh yeah, see it at the tip. So there's spark in there. And you know, instead of using the big tall bottles, I think it'd be better on one of these Coleman propane torches. It just would sit a little bit more firm, in my opinion. So let's give it a shot again. All right, so to get it started, you just take, you can see the dial there, and you just turn it so you hear the gas coming, and then just like that, and then you adjust that. See, I already got my charcoal going there. This thing works pretty cool, folks. All right, so if you're wondering where you can get it, searpro.com. I'll leave the link down below. And then right now it's kind of a Kickstarter thing, and you can order now for $100. We'll get you one of these things. And I proved to you it works. Pretty cool. You can light your campfire with it. Lights charcoal, lickety split, and I think it's a pretty cool product, folks. You know, I hope you enjoyed this. Tom Horseman YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.